Hey everybody, Christopher here. We'll go over just all kinds of fantastic Q-line trades and related dual money ball trades, just level sweeps, levels tests. We had the whole full gamut. Don't forget, we have a fantastic Discord room for QuantVue. Everybody on the Q-Zone system gets the Pro Chat private room. We have lots of unending content, getting traders start interacting. And I post up videos constantly throughout the day about trade activity and related, recent prop firm challenges, and the receipts is isn't that the term people use? So yeah, come on in, check out the Discord room when you get on board with the Q-Zone tools. Let's go take a look at the Nasdaq real quick. So Asian markets got shelled last night. Nikkei, I was looking a little while ago, was down over 900 points. Yesterday, remember I talked about this level. That's that super, super important key level. I said we're probably going to break it in the next day or two. You just don't come down that far and not retest. Well, institutional side was absorbing a lot of the selling in here. I was watching it, not as heavy as in the past, but the selling kind of dried up. So they didn't have to work that hard. And then there was just a wondrous long setup here. Let me spread this chart out a bit. And in my extensive training that's in with the Q-Zone system at QuantVue, run by Mike of QuantVue.io, we had this amazing, and I cover this in training, W pattern, price patterns with a Q line long, with a market that's failed to test support. It's not going down and testing support. They're hanging on to it. So you get bounce one, bounce two, bounce three, and then just a beautiful W pattern lift, Q line trade. That one just took off. Then what did I teach in what's the video called? Location, location, location. I talk about levels, sweeps. We have a level sweep and a Q line short. Q line trade short, and she rips. We come up, we have a level test, rollover. That Q line trade was a loser. We have a level sweep. That Q line trade made a little money. We had a re-entry, that made a little bit of money. So there was even a little bit of a W pattern here and lift if anybody was looking to get long. And you had another price pattern, W pattern and lift with Q lines. So if you're trying to get long, just Q line trades are just fantastic. They're so simple to operate. And then we came up and got a big level sweep into end of day. And that was, to me, some of the easiest short side money, a short trade you could have taken was the Q line trade out of that. And we had a nice big run. And then the overnight session, it's been nothing but lower pivot highs. I really like this one where he kind of came up, retested, roll over, get the Q line short. Criteria is super easy, and that went all the way down to that support level, busted through. And the market's just now opening, and very likely, if not today, I'd be shocked if we're not down testing this support. I'll be really surprised if we don't just come down and test it today, but it is a Friday, so institutionals can call out the rescue squad, come in, park this thing higher, hang on to it, get into the weekend, and then we'll see what Sunday into Monday brings. But we're right back down near this key area. And like I've said before, if that level breaks, I know I keep talking about this, but when these type of levels break, they mean something because there's very low volume distribution in here, and there's not really a lot of accumulated inventory till you get lower, where we had stair-step built support before we had a big pump job. That was a day where investment banks were just pumping options, futures, and buying baskets of stocks in concert to try to drag the market higher. So there you go. That's where we are into the day. All kinds of great Q-line trades, money ball, dual trades are all over the place. Yesterday on the upside and last night on the downside. So you just can't beat these setups, in my opinion, for very easy and Good news, our Q line indicator, from what I heard from the programmer, will be available today. So these exact setups with bull and bear flags that you can tie into alerts should be ready later today. So we'll start distributing that out to our group later today and through the weekend. So everybody will have it be ready to go for next week. Anybody new coming on board, you get the new Q line indicator. We got the Moneyball dual indicator as a standalone indicator on deck next for next week. That's in build. So all kinds of good stuff from QuantVue. Let's go take a look at the website and wrap up the video. So QuantVue, VUE.io is the website. Mike has done a fantastic job with his website and his business here. He's now marketing, running all admin for my QZone tools that I built, and we're working together. I handle all training, tech support, system support. He does all client side and marketing, and it's a great fit. He has some great levels tools, part of his program. It's got trading bots. He and I are going to even be getting into some fully automated stuff on deck that'll get announced in the next few days. A lot of info on my advanced Moneyball indicator that I developed with unique math, kind of the same type of math used in seismic detection activity, where we're looking for the tremors before the quake in price action. You can get a free trial to come on board, check everything out. Discord room, tools. Mike's got a fantastic site here. Email is hello@quantvue.io if you have questions. One last thing, I did notice Apex Trader Funding, for those of you that do the prop game like we do. Apex Trader Funding has 90% off sale going on right now. So remember, you can get up to 20 accounts. They have as high as 300K accounts. Basically, you can go up to 90-10 split. Save 90 is the code. I'm no longer doing any new accounts at all on NinjaTrader, doing everything on Tradivate going forward. We'll wind down all of my NinjaTrader accounts over the next month or two as I pass evaluations and get new accounts up and running on the Tradivate side. And yeah, I'm completely getting away from NinjaTrader. I just don't want to use their platform anymore. I'd rather use web-based browser for my trade entry and do all my charting analytics in the on TradingView. And you can connect Tradivate to TradingView. If you go into YouTube and like type in search Tradivate connected to TradingView, you'll see many people already doing it. I'm going to start working with that myself, seeing how reliable it is, and as I spend some time with that. I got too many programming projects trying to get done for the group first, then after 4th of July, I'll get into playing with Tradivate connected to TradingView and running fully automated Q-line trades on TradingView connected to a Tradivate for order routing. So there you have it. Some good stuff. Have a great morning. Have a great weekend ahead. And check out QuantVue.io. Talk to you all later.